Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious macaroons, Goldilocks style. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Sift together 100 grams of almond flour and 100 grams of powdered sugar to remove any lumps. This step is crucial for smooth shells. Separate 2 large egg whites, ideally aged for a day or two, and have 75 grams of granulated sugar ready. Don't forget your preferred food coloring and a dash of vanilla extract. Next, we'll create the meringue. In a clean, dry bowl, whip your 2 egg whites with a pinch of salt until they reach soft peaks. Slowly add the 75 grams of granulated sugar, 1/3 at a time, continuing to whip until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds its shape. Now for the macaronage. Gently fold the sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the meringue. Mix until the batter flows like lava, forming a figure 8 when lifted. Once your batter is perfectly macaronaged, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a round tip, such as a number 12. Pipe uniform circles, approximately 1 1/2 inches in diameter, onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter several times to release any trapped air bubbles. This helps prevent hollow shells. Let the piped shells rest for at least 30 minutes, or until a skin forms. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Bake the macaroons for 12 to 15 minutes or until they develop their characteristic feet and are firm to the touch. Let them cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. This prevents cracking. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Once cooled, pair and fill your beautiful shells with your favorite buttercream, ganache, or jam for a truly delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.